Hey, what's up, guys? Joe here, and welcome to 365 Web X. And so today I'll be showing you guys how to grow an Instagram account, a brand new Instagram account from 0 followers to 6,000. I mean, close to 7,000 followers. With less than 100 posts and thereabout. So let's jump straight into the video without wasting too much of your time. Yeah, so guys, so here you can see that we have this Instagram account here. This is from one of my clients, and this is a hotel. Okay, it's Chillers Hotel. Okay, and suite, okay. Okay, I think I made a mistake here, so let me correct that. That is, your information must be accurate. Okay, so okay, now let's go back to our profile. So here we have this Instagram account from Chillers Hotel and Suite. Or suit. Is it suit or suit? Okay, whatever it's called. Okay, it's fine. So, first of all, these people contacted me to help them open an Instagram account, which I did and gave them the login details and all of that. And then they called me back after 4 months that they would want me to to manage the Instagram account for them. This was the first post they did. No, I forgot. So they actually posted some content, and I think about 20-something content. And then when when I collected this account back to help them grow it and manage it for them, I discovered they are using, the content there do not speak volume or speak well for their brand. And so I told them I was going to pull everything down. The chairman of the hotel, who is the owner, accepted. He said, "Joe, go ahead and do whatever you want. Just get me the result I'm looking for." And so I collected this Instagram account, and this was the first post that I did. Okay, you can see, before I deleted the posts done by them, you could see 10, 20 likes, 20 no comments, 5 likes when they post. And so I collected, and I took this picture with a phone and I posted it. And they said, okay, we want to buy followers. Can you help us to buy followers? We want the Instagram to have thousands, if not millions of followers, and we are ready to pay. I said, okay, not with me. Okay, I wouldn't advise you to go that route. Okay, it's a bad idea. If you truly want to grow this account, we can do it organically without having to buy followers, okay? Because Instagram do not like that, and it's going to affect your channel later. And so he said, but we want our business, we want people to. I said, look, if we do this right, okay, you gradually grow organically without having to deal with the Instagram penalties and all of that. And moreover, this has a negative way of affecting your business. They said, okay, Let's see what you can do. And then here we took off. So from here, the first post you can see 549, and it's having 3 comments. And then I posted this. Okay, posted this video. Okay, this is just a 5 seconds video. And this is just what I did. Okay, and you can see that it's having close to, I think, close to 23,000 views. Okay, and then followed by this. Okay, this is the advert shot for this, the hotel. All right, so, and you can see this is it. It's a nice piece of property here. So, and I posted this, and we got this result, and then this, you know, I actually was skeptical posting this post, but after much thought, I said, okay, this is Nigeria, and of course we like this. You see the lady drinking from the calabash. So shout out to Mary. Mary actually introduced me to these people. All right, this lady here, this beautiful lady, she introduced me to these people, and I'm doing business with them. So shout out to Mary. Okay, Mary is the owner of Quintes Cover and an insurance company here in Lagos. Okay, so, and so followed by these other videos and all of that. So you can see the property. I mean, the kind of you know. Oh, my internet is a bit slow. Sorry. Okay, but you can see their rooms are quite neat and clean. Here, see the property, and then I started posting. So you can see, like, this post here has just 27 likes, okay, and 2 comments. So, and I started posting just like this. Started posting stuff like this, and people were following and commenting. They actually have a club also, and they have a poolside, you know, nice staffs, or is it good staffs? And I started posting stuff like this. And the man himself, this is MC Olu Omo, there, right there, during his birthday. Okay, he did his birthday at this hotel. If you know MC Olu Omo, this is one of Lagos big boys. You want to chill with the big boys. I mean, I think the president of a transport union. You can see I started posting, creating content like this. I'm posting, and this is the owner of Chillers Hotel. You can see him right there in his hotel. Okay, very nice man. And I started posting all this content for them. We don't have much content here, but you can see that with just 61 posts, and these are real followers. Okay, you have celebrities following this business. Okay, and we grew this hotel to what it is now. Now, what is the catch up here? The catch up is that this page is not just clean. At least I can say it's clean to some extent, because you can see the content right there. Okay, they represent the hotel. You know, the colors represent the colors of, you can see the logo right here. Okay, and moreover, if you want me to create a business logo for you, I can do that without stress. Okay, and here you have, the colors matching the hotel's logo, okay, or the hotel's colors, and you can even see that even the interior of the hotel also matches with that of the logo and their colors. So here you can see, and before it even got to uh, this number here of followers, he was so happy. And because there are comments and all of that, people started booking. I mean, people or customers, whatever you call it, started booking from here, from Instagram. So people they keep sending in messages, wanting to book, and some asking for discount, and we work out something for them. And so that is how you grow an Instagram from 0 followers to close to 7,000 followers in 3 months. I collected this account 3 months ago, and I grew it from nowhere. When I collected this account, they were having, I think, 42 followers, and I had to grow it from that 42 to this. So, and they're happy, we are happy, because they're paying me, and they're paying me pretty well, and because I'm doing my job. So now, the bottom line here is just don't go that route of thinking, buying followers will do you any good. And if you have you have clients that maybe don't know the consequences or the aftermath effects that it's going to have on their brand or business, do advise them that, look, I know you want to grow, but can we, take it bit by bit and see where it leads us? Because at the end of the day, you want to be dealing with real people, not ghost followers, okay? That Instagram might wake up one day and decide to penalize you for it. People do buy followers, but I tell you what, it does not hold water, okay? You just be spending your money, dashing people your money for nothing. Here we call, when you spend money recklessly, we call it dash. Okay, you just be throwing away money for nothing. So, it's your duty to advise them to do the right thing and to follow your lead. You are the professional here. They are trusting you. They don't know about these things. They don't know how these things work. So it is your duty. You are in charge here, and if you don't play your professional role or expert role, it's going to be a shame on you. Okay, they are going to wake up one day and accuse you and maybe even take away the business from you for not doing what you're supposed to do, or for not giving them the right advice when they needed it. So that is what I wanted to tell you in this video. Okay, social media is crazy, but if you do things right, okay, the result, you get the result in no time, okay? And if at any point you are in Nigeria, or at any time you are in Nigeria, consider staying at Chilla's Hotel. A lot of people coming into Nigeria, into Lagos, have actually booked this hotel. I know that because I see everything at the back end. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. Please do subscribe to the channel to help me grow, and of course, so that when I post a video, you will be the first to watch on this channel. And without taking too much of your time again, I want to say thank you for staying with. Thank you for staying with me, and see you next time in another video. Bye bye.